Hello, guys! To make the list of these coolest tools that are on the next level, we have put in a lot of effort. So please consider subscribing to our channel to help us grow. Now, let's get to the products. Starting with a cool solution for all your measurement tasks. Say hello to this handy little tool that's designed for professionals who need precise and effortless long-distance measurements. This Crescent Lufkin compact centerline measuring wheel has a gear drive system with locking teeth, so you can get reliable accuracy without the slippage of traditional belt-driven counters. Plus, its sealed housing keeps dirt and debris out, ensuring long-term durability. The centerline balance design aligns the counter with your stride, reducing wobble and making every measurement smooth and steady. Meanwhile, the telescoping handle makes storage a breeze, and the rigid rubber tread provides excellent grip on rough terrain. To top it off, its high-visibility orange color ensures you won't lose sight of it on a busy job site. So if you're measuring roads, floors, or open fields, this compact wheel is built to handle it all with ease. Introducing the Enerpac SC Series. Cordless hydraulic pumps. These tools are a perfect example of power, portability, and efficiency. With a high-capacity 54-volt lithium-ion battery, you get extended runtimes, so you can focus on the task at hand without constant recharging. Plus, the brushless motor technology not only boosts performance, but also lasts twice as long as traditional motors, ensuring durability and reliability over time. What sets this pump apart is its Enerpac Connect app compatibility, allowing you to monitor tool performance and job progress in real time, giving you better control over your workflow. On top of that, its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to transport, while still delivering the hydraulic power needed for high-cycle applications. Whether you're working in construction, maintenance, manufacturing, rail, or wind power, this pump is built to keep up with your toughest jobs, helping you work smarter and more efficiently. The Artec Leo is hands down one of the coolest 3D scanners out there. This tool brings wireless, AI-powered scanning into the palm of your hand. Unlike traditional scanners that tie you down with cables and external computers, Leo offers a fully standalone experience with its built-in battery and onboard processing, so you get complete freedom to move and capture data with ease. Plus, with high-speed scanning at up to 80 frames per second, you can create incredibly detailed 3D models in no time. Its powerful NVIDIA Jetson processor ensures smooth performance, while the 5-inch HD touchscreen lets you see your scan in real time, making adjustments on the fly. And with even greater accuracy in the 2022 version, it's built to handle everything from reverse engineering and healthcare to art, design, and education. Overall, the Artec Leo makes the scanning process effortless and delivers pro-level precision in the most intuitive way possible. If you're serious about stone fabrication, the Raizi Stone Granite Profile Router Machine is the tool you need to take your work to the next level. With a powerful 2,200-watt motor, it delivers the strength to effortlessly shape and profile granite, marble, and engineered stone with smooth, precise results. Unlike other routers that struggle under pressure, this one features advanced belt drive technology, so you never have to worry about power loss or slippage. Plus, its scratch-free base and hydro-float design let it glide seamlessly over surfaces without leaving a mark. Whether you're cutting, shaping, or polishing, the adjustable router bit knob and soft grip handle make every step more comfortable and controlled. Built for reliability and precision, this machine is a must-have for pros who want flawless stone edges every time. Do you think this little tool can't take on your important task? Well, once you use it, you'll know how the TOLSEN cordless screwdriver can make your DIY and professional projects easier. Built with an all-metal gearbox, it ensures low noise and long-lasting durability, so you can rely on it for the long haul. With a forward and reverse function controlled by a mechanical switch, you don't have to worry about accidental misfires while working. Plus, its 3 torque settings let you fine-tune power for different applications, delivering up to 5 Newton-meter of torque, or 10 Newton-meter in manual mode for those tougher jobs. Adjusting the torque is a breeze with a one-finger press. The built-in 1500 milliamp-hour lithium battery gives you long-lasting performance, while the soft rubber grip reduces vibration, so you can work comfortably for extended periods. And when you're in dark spaces, the 3 LED work lights automatically illuminate your work area. It even comes with a USB-C charging cable for easy recharging and a 20-piece bit set with a magnetic holder, so you're ready for any task right out of the box. If you're looking for a versatile tool to keep your garden looking neat, the Ryobi 18-volt Hedge and Grass Shears are the perfect solution. This 2-in-1 tool combines a 217mm bar for trimming small hedges and a 120mm grass shear for those hard-to-reach spots. Whether you're shaping your plants or tidying up your lawn, it's easy to switch between the two functions, thanks to the tool's quick change feature. Both blades are made from SK5 steel, ensuring clean, healthy cuts every time. Plus, with the 2-stage trigger lockout, you can work safely without worrying about accidental starts. At just the right weight, it's incredibly easy to maneuver with one hand, giving you precise control to get the exact shape you want. Whether you're trimming hedges or keeping grass in check, this tool helps you keep your garden looking its best, especially when plants grow quickly. If you love a neat, tidy garden, the Ryobi shear and shrubber tool is definitely a must-have. Tired of bulky measuring tapes and need something more portable and practical, the NeoRulerGO is your new go-to tool for measuring smarter, not harder. This sleek, compact rolling ruler is engineered to deliver plus or minus 1mm accuracy. So whether you're measuring small objects or distances, you can trust that your results will be spot on. What sets it apart is its ability to fold up to a size small enough to fit in your pocket, making it incredibly easy to carry with you wherever you go. It's perfect for professionals who need quick measurements on the job or for anyone working on DIY projects around the house. The NeoRulerGO features a unique wheel-based design, allowing you to measure curved surfaces or irregular shapes easily, something traditional rulers can't always handle. It's a convenient, lightweight, and versatile tool that ensures you have precise measurements at your fingertips, anytime and anywhere. Ensuring your electrical outlets are wired correctly and safely is crucial, and the Southwire GFCI receptacle tester with LCD makes this task straightforward. Designed for North American 120-volt 3-prong outlets, this tester features a large, backlit LCD display that clearly indicates wiring conditions and voltage readings. It performs 7 essential tests, including checks for open ground, open neutral, open hot, reversed hot and ground, reversed hot and neutral, correct wiring, and GFCI functionality. The integrated GFCI test function allows users to verify the operation of GFCI outlets, enhancing safety during electrical inspections. Its compact design ensures easy portability and storage, making it a convenient addition to any electrician's toolkit. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.